Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of eyes in CapCut Mobile. So through this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide. First, of course, let's just launch the CapCut app. Okay, so now you can just start a new project and then choose the photo or video that you want to change its eye color. So here I'm going to use this photos right here. You can tap on add, and then after you add the photo or video, you can just click on it, click the photo on the timeline, swipe through the toolbar at the bottom until you find the remove background options. Now choose the chroma key and drag the color picker into the red color. Okay, this one's right here. You can adjust the intensity and adjust the shadow. Okay, so after you adjust the intensity and shadow, you can just tap on the check icon, and now you can go back and find the background options. Click on color. Now choose the color that you want for the eye. For example, in here I'm going to use this blue color, or you can also try to find the color that you want. You can hit on the check icon. So now the eye color has been changed. So I'm going to wrap it up again. First, you just need to add the photo or videos into the timeline, and then you can use the chroma key under the remove background menu and just choose the color that you want to isolate or change. After that, you can just adjust the intensity and shadow. Now you can just go back and find the background options in here on CapCut. Just color and just select the color that you want for the eye. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.